Hey everyone, welcome back to Lauren Couples Circle, the place where we don't just talk about attraction, we decode it. If you're new here, my name is Lauren, and today we're diving deep into a topic that many men silently wrestle with: how to attract a girl who doesn't seem to like you, at least not at first. Eye contact that changes everything you see, love, and desire are rarely black and white. A woman might not show interest right away, but that doesn't mean the door is closed. Sometimes the tiniest shift in your energy, mindset, or behavior can open something truly unexpected in her heart. So if you've ever looked at her and thought, I don't stand a chance, and stop right there, because what you're about to learn could turn the whole game around. We all deserve to be loved and appreciated. And sometimes the smallest changes, they spark the biggest emotional breakthroughs. That's exactly what I'll share today. Simple, powerful strategies that can turn quiet indifference into a growing connection. Instead of just sitting back and waiting for the perfect moment, let's create it. Let's walk through how charm, confidence, subtle psychological triggers, and emotional presence can help you make her notice you, even if she didn't see you that way before. So, what are you waiting for? Let's get started and apply these techniques to open new doors in your relationship with her. And always remember, it all starts with confidence and a smile. Section 1, the eye contact that changes everything. Yes, eye contact is crucial in relationship building, but we're not just talking about glancing at her or locking eyes randomly. We're talking about intentional, deep, and emotionally aware eye contact. Here's something that most men don't know. Pay special attention to her left eye. Why? Because according to fascinating neurological research, looking into a woman's left eye can stimulate the release of oxytocin, often called the love hormone. This hormone is the same one released when we hug someone deeply or share vulnerable moments. It promotes trust, emotional bonding, and a sense of intimacy that words often can't reach. So the next time you're talking to her, slow down, take a breath, and look gently into her left eye. Not in a creepy, forced way, but in a calm, grounded, warm way. A knowing look, one that tells her without speaking, I see you, I respect you, you matter. It's that gaze full of sincerity and emotional stillness that makes her feel safe, seen, and special. Because here's the brutal truth. Words can lie, but eyes, they rarely do. And when your eyes speak warmth, care, and confidence, you become memorable. Section 2, the scent of subtle seduction. Let's move to something deeply underrated, your scent. Studies show that men who wear attractive fragrances don't just feel more confident, they actually become more attractive to women. Why? Because scent is directly tied to the brain's emotional memory center. Your scent becomes part of your identity in her mind. When you find a fragrance that truly fits your personality, not something overpowering or cheap, but something subtle, clean, and intriguing, it becomes your invisible signature. Imagine this. You're not around her, but she catches a hint of something familiar. That same scent you wore when you hugged her. Boom. In that second, she thinks of you. A great fragrance is like a psychological anchor. It grounds emotions. It makes her feel safe. It makes you feel powerful. So choose a scent that reflects you. Are you calm and grounded? Go for a woody or musky tone. Are you mysterious and intense? Try something with spice or dark citrus. Small gestures like this create intimacy without saying a word, and that's powerful. Section 3, natural ways to crush anxiety so she feels your real vibe. Now let's talk about something that gets in the way for a lot of men: anxiety. It's normal to feel a little nervous when approaching a woman, especially if she doesn't seem interested at first. But here's the truth. You don't have to fight anxiety alone. There are natural supplements that help reduce social anxiety and make you feel more grounded, confident, and in control. For example, L-theanine found in green tea calms the nervous system without sedating you. It helps you stay sharp but relaxed. Ashwagandha is another powerhouse. It reduces cortisol levels, your body's stress hormone, which means you feel calmer under pressure. Magnesium glycinate helps soothe tension and supports better sleep, which means you'll wake up ready to face the world. And when you're relaxed, your true self, your best self, comes through. That's when attraction flows naturally. Remember, Attraction doesn't happen when you're overthinking your every move. It happens when you're authentic, grounded, and confident. Section 4, call someone who loves you first. Before you step into that date, call someone who makes you feel safe. A parent, a best friend, a sibling, someone who reminds you of your worth. Why does this work? Because hearing a familiar, supportive voice activates the parasympathetic nervous system, lowering your stress and anxiety. It reminds you deep down that you're already loved, already valuable. You're not chasing her approval. This calm energy becomes your emotional baseline. And women can feel that when you enter the room grounded, smiling, and emotionally balanced. You radiate something rare. Self-assurance without arrogance. That's the kind of man who doesn't beg for connection. He inspires it. Emotional experience. She won't even realize what shifted, but she'll feel the difference and she'll want more of that grounded presence. Section 5. Ditch the predictable date. Plan an emotional experience. Now let's talk about the actual date. Most men default to the same thing, a dinner, a movie, coffee, that. But here's the truth. These dates don't create emotional spikes. And if you want to change how she sees you, you need emotion. So instead of sitting across from her at a dinner table, try something that taps into excitement, curiosity, or even adrenaline. That might be a spontaneous road trip to a scenic overlook, a quirky escape room, axe throwing, zip lining, salsa dancing, a secret concert, a weird art exhibit. Why? Because emotions create memory. And if you make her feel something unusual, thrilling, or mysterious, she'll associate those feelings with you. Psychologists call this misattribution of arousal. When someone feels excitement in a situation and links that emotion to the person they're with, in short, make her heart race and she'll start to wonder why you make her feel that way. Section 6. Show your confidence in subtle social ways. Here's another move that works wonders and most men overlook it. When you're on the date, how you treat others matters just as much as how you treat her. Be friendly and respectful to waiters, bartenders, and anyone else around you. Not to impress her, but because true confidence shows in how you carry yourself with the world, not just with the girl you're interested in. Women subconsciously notice this. She's seeing a socially competent man, someone who moves through life with presence. That's attractive. That's high value. Section 7. Pay the bill quietly, assertively. Now here's a psychological detail. Most men mess up the bill when it comes. Don't make a show of paying. Don't say, "I've got this with flair." Instead, wait for her to step away, maybe to the restroom, and pay quietly. No words, no fanfare, just calm action. Why? Because this shows initiative without needing praise. You're generous without validation. You're in control without dominance. That's real confidence. Section 8. Don't rush the kiss. Build the mystery. One of the biggest mistakes guys make is rushing the kiss. Restraint is sexier than desperation. End the night with a warm hug, a sincere, "I had a great time," and leave curiosity behind. Let her wonder what happens next. That emotional tension builds attraction far more than forcing a moment. Section 9. Master the stoic art of self-improvement. Women are drawn to men who are evolving, not perfect, but improving. Stoicism teaches control over emotions, discipline, and inner calm. When you're not reactive, not chasing approval, something shifts in how you're perceived. You become grounded, self-contained, attractive. Section 10. Build psychological tension through presence. Be comfortable in silence. Don't overtalk. Don't over-explain. Let your presence speak. When she starts wondering what you're thinking, attraction grows. Section 11. Speak less, feel more. Slow speech, meaningful words, calm tone. Don't try to impress, just be real. That authenticity makes you stand out. Section 12. Reinforce her safety, not just attraction. Make her feel emotionally safe through respect, listening, and consistency. Safety builds openness. Openness builds connection. Section 13. Attraction is energy, not effort. Your energy matters more than your actions. Calm, confident energy attracts. Neediness repels. So, let's bring it together. Attraction is not about chasing, it's about becoming. When you shift your energy, your presence, and your mindset, people feel it before you even speak. The truth is simple. You don't need to force attraction. You need to become someone who naturally pulls it in. So, next time you meet a girl who doesn't seem interested, don't chase, don't panic. Just stand tall, stay calm, and remember, she just doesn't know you yet. Thank you for watching Lauren Couple Circle.